Hello people, I am a dude with a sewing machine and I don't know how to use it. I've been watching some videos online about how to set this thing up and when they set it up, every single one of them, by the way, this is a straw that I cut a little notch in it. You can see that little notch to kind of help me do some stuff. I still haven't gotten this thing to run at all, but on the other videos that I've been watching on YouTube, there's this little bitty cut right here. Literally, there's this cutaway, I don't know, and they literally lay the string in it. Mine doesn't have it. So I got this cheap little home docks, but it looks exactly like the other ones on the videos that I'm looking at. I've had this for like a year, and I forgot that I had it. And I had a piece of fabric that tore. So I figured I can just grab a sewing machine. I've been on this thing for like an hour and a half right now, and I have no idea how to use it. You know, it's been like 30 years since I passed home ec class back in the 80s. I have no idea what I'm doing. So, on the videos, I seen this one young lady, and she pointed out that this little slot right here, when you drop this thing called a bobbin, had no idea it's called a bobbin. I just thought it was a wheel with string. And there's another wheel with string right here. It's called a bobbin too. How about that? I'm learning some things about sewing. Yeah, gay, right? No, not gay. I mean, it's something men can do. I don't know how to do it. So I should not be putting down somebody else's job. If I had to do it for money, I would do it. And I know there's a lot of seamstresses out there that make a lot of money that are dudes. So there's a magnet in here. That is a magnet. I did not know that. I thought it was a washer. And I attempted to take it out with a pair of scissors. And then I realized, hey, it sticks. It's a magnet. Weak magnet, but it works. So you put this thing called a bobbin in here. And I don't know if this is going to work, so I'm going to give it a test, a theory, and along with my first time attempting to do this. So I'm using the straw. I saw her use some kind of little, I don't know, plastic paddle. She got it in there. I'm using the straw, and I guess I'll hold it right there. And I've got this threaded according to the videos. Maybe I don't. Okay, yeah, I do. Let's see how this works. I don't know what I'm doing. So you turn this wheel counterclockwise, this hand wheel. It says you turn it counterclockwise. And all I want to do is just get that thread to come through that hole where the footrest is. And let's see if it works. Down, up. Oh, wait, did I get it? No, I didn't get it. What am I doing wrong here, people? I don't know what I'm doing, seriously. I don't know what I'm doing. So, okay, I stepped it down there. Maybe if I turn it again, will it work? No, I don't see any string. Well, this little area right here, that rest area, right here, that notch cut out, that's so you can use your fingernail and literally dig out this thing called a bobbin. Okay, see, let's do that. And I'm thinking there is no place on here to lay this string like I see in all the other videos. Mark my words, trust me. Every single video I've seen just about out there has this. There's a line right here, a cutout where they have been laying their string along with the string to the needle. They lay it together, and I've been watching them. They lay them together about right here, and I don't have that option. So I've been going about other ways and other videos looking for, and I think it goes in this slot. That's the only thing I can think of. There's this little slot right here, but I don't know how far I need to push this down. Maybe if I just jam this mug back down there all the way, and then pull this. Watch me thread this straw. I just want to see if that thing comes up. No? Take the straw out. See, look, the string's coming around the top now. Was I supposed to do that? Nothing. So yeah, I bought this a long time ago. I don't know if I can send it back through Amazon. I thought I could use it for my own benefits. I have no idea how to use this thing, man. If I was really in a jam, looks like I'm just gonna go ahead and needle and thread this, you know, the old way. So, you know, maybe that notch right there. And what does this do? Okay, there's a gap. Okay, I see a gap right there. See the gap? Just made a gap. Maybe I need to stick through that gap. And then here comes the other handle. See, it's dragging it all the way around now. So maybe that's what I need to do. Oh, hey, there's something. Did I get that right? No, dang it. Am I going the wrong way? Gosh. This is, okay, let me set this phone where I can, that's not gonna work. I need to set this up where I can just let go one hand and, upside down. No, that's not gonna work. Jeez. I need to make better phone stands. Maybe I should get in the business of making a better phone stand. Because I can hold it right here. Alright, let me just hold it right there. See that? Go open gap. Now the thread's all jacked up in there. But why won't it like stay? Why won't it thread? See, I'm pulling it back out. There we go. It's clean. Did I break something? I don't think I broke anything. I'm going to take this apart and see how the nomenclature and all the gears and cams and things work. Okay, so I'm just wasting thread here. Okay, let's see if I push it through again. My little trusty straw. No, didn't work. Let's use this. Pull the straw out. No, I'm wasting my time. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm getting shunned out of here. Come on. Okay, so the needle, I can see the needle getting crossed up right there with that piece of sharp plastic. So if that was a piece of thread, you figure should be made out of steel, you think? You know, you look at those brand called Singers, and I was kind of watching a video of that, and that thing looks like it's top quality, and I hear people talking about Singer sewing machines. I don't say people, ladies talk about this Singer sewing machine. So it makes, so that's at the 12 o'clock, let's say 12 o'clock position, so it's going counterclockwise, and that's open, that's 360 degrees, literally, and the needle is up. So maybe it takes 720 degrees, so there goes the needle down. Now it's coming back up. And now, the second time, that plastic cammed needle is crossing paths with a steel needle at 720 degrees. Okay, so apparently, I think that's right. So let me go ahead and go down. Now bring the needle up. If I go here. Why is it so difficult to do this? Here we go. Let me pass that sharp part right there. Hope y'all can see this. You probably can't. And I apologize. I'm doing terrible with this straw. I'm going to just use the other end of the straw. It's not even going down. Let me get this pair of scissors and cut this off. Give me just a second. Got a little notch in here again. And all I'm sewing is a piece of Velcro. Then one thing leads to another, and you know how guys are. Get caught up in one thing. It's kind of like opening a can of WD-40 with a smaller can of WD-40. Oh, jeez, come on. Cut that like plastic right here. All right. All right, I see the sharp edge right there. Oh, okay, there we go. See if I can push this right on top of it and right over it. And you probably won't see nothing here, but kind of hard to do this with a phone. We all should be good at this now, right? Because we're all playing on our phones as we're driving. Okay, let me see if I got this. Okay, it's grabbing it. And I don't see nothing else happening. Nothing. Okay, I'm wasting my time here again. So this foot's supposed to be up. So I'm bringing the foot up. The needle's down. Now the needle's up. And I see the gap. There's the gap. Oh, there, see? Look, it looks like it's grabbing it. So that's what it's supposed to do, right? Right? Yeah? No? Just taking the string. I think that's what it's supposed to do. Taking the string all the way around. Why does it stop right there? There it is. Okay, just grabbing the string, going all the way around. And nothing. Maybe I need to go around again. Let's go 2 times. Let's just go fast. Anything? No? Nothing. I'm gonna smash this thing. Dang it. What is going on here? Why is this not working? All I'm doing is getting a big ass wad of string. I mean, do I need to put fabric through here or something? That's kind of, that ain't right. That's not it. Come on. What's going on? Oh, see, now I got a knot. You know what? I'm just gonna put this thing back on. Just see if it fits here. Nothing. I have to put this fabric in it. I want to sew. Nothing. Hey, is it working? Nope. Look, I got a big ass knot right there. Maybe not. Okay, it's feels like a magic show. It's a magic freaking sewing machine. Nothing. It's not threading. Is it? Did I just thread that? No. Getting all excited for nothing. Yeah. Now it's stuck. No. No. Yeah. Come on. Nothing. No. Oh shoot! I lost my thread now. Should I just chuck this piece of junk? It's trash now. Sorry, folks, I wasted your time. Have a good day.